Hello, and sorry I was unable to make a video yesterday. So today I'm going to proceed. In previous class, we saw and we learned about the clotting factor and their types. And here I will discuss the each factor's work. Like first one is fibrinogen, and fibrinogen is soluble protein which is made in the liver, and it activates by thrombin. Thrombin activate the fibrinogen into insoluble fibrin which create the clot, and this fibrinogen involved in the tissue repair and immune response and inflammation. The second factor is prothrombin. Prothrombin also secreted by the liver. It is an essential blood clotting factor, and it helps in the injury to stop the bleeding. And when vessels is damaged, prothrombin converted into the active enzyme which is known as thrombin. Here we saw that the thrombin is converted the fibrinogen into fibrin. In another class we know how this mechanism are going. So in this class only we know about their individuals work. So there is the third factor, tissue factor, which is the initiator blood coagulation, which triggers the series of the blood clotting process, and it also play in the non-hemostatic process, and say like inflammation, angiogenesis, tumor metastasis. And the factor 4 is the calcium, which is essential cofactor. What is the cofactor? Cofactor is a non-proteinous molecule which helps the enzyme to proceed their process or increase the response of the protein enzyme process in the blood clotting, and it helps helping them bind to the platelet surface. Where is injury occur, calcium help the platelets to bind their side. It is required for the conversion of prothrombin to thrombin and fibrinogen to fibrin. And the factor 5 is proaccelerine, which accelerate the process, like this accelerating the conversion of prothrombin to thrombin. This is also known as factor 5. And factor 5 make a complex with calcium, phospholipid, and activated factor 10 to form a prothrombokinase complex, which is help in the conversion of prothrombin to thrombin. And with the also with protein C, it deactivate the factor activated factor 8, which is anticoagulant pathway. So there is here we can see the factor 5 help in the clotting process as well as anticoagulation pathways. And factor 7, proconvertin. This is known as factor 7. It's initiating the blood clotting in the extrinsic pathway, and when it form a complex with the tissue factor where injury occurred, and then activate the factor 9 and 10 and start the series of clotting process. Thank you. Next factors we will study in the next class. Thank you.